Crosthwaite, and I want to introduce you to the Vivian Plan by Benchmark Builders of Iowa. These plans are located in Norwalk's Arbor Glen, which is just off of North and Elm on Aspen Drive. This house is actually listed for $214,900, and it is a ranch. It is meant to be the right size for your needs. It's 2 bedrooms on the main, and the basement can be finished adding an additional bedroom and bathroom. So let's take a look, shall we? As you come in, you see we do have a really spacious covered front porch, perfect for chairs and a little table, maybe to enjoy your morning coffee. I'm a big proponent of morning coffee. Come on in. This house is under construction. It's about maybe 3 weeks out from completion. So from here, you walk straight into your family room, your living room. You've got some great natural light. Today is kind of cloudy, but we do have some windows in here. TV could go right up here. And Benchmark really does a good job of finishing with quite a few unique features. So for instance, they are putting in an office nook right over there where you could look at mounting your TV there as well. As we go in further, we do have an open floor plan with our dining room looking to be right around here. You will have lighting up above. And then this huge picture window right here. This kitchen is finished with classic white cabinets, and you have an island, you have a spot for the refrigerator, our oven, microwave, and then a corner sink looking out onto 2 windows. You can see from the windows, by the way, the lot will be private when all those trees get their leaves. Finally, we do have our dishwasher right by the sink. And then one of the super cool features, I'm not sure if we'll be able to see it because we have no electricity in this house yet, but we have a walk-in pantry, which is super convenient for storage. Let's take a quick peek at the rest of the house. Again, pardon our construction, we're still working on it. So as we come in, by the way, one of the touches that Benchmark does is they do these lower switches. That's actually on purpose. And it's because it's just much more convenient than having switches up here. Excuse the wire, that's for your thermostat. All right, moving on down, we have our guest bathroom to my right. And it is perfect for the tub. That way your guests don't have to go through a bedroom to use the bathroom. Coming in over to my left, you're right, we have one closet that's going to be a coat closet. The other closet is going to be a linen closet. There is no shelving in these yet, but they are right here. So tons of storage. Moving on, here is our owner's suite, our master bedroom. It is big enough for a king-size bed, don't worry. And in here, we have a specific master bathroom. We'll see if we can see it or not, but it has a walk-in shower, a sink, and stool. And as you can see, it's finished with the same white cabinetry and LVP flooring down at the bottom, which is a waterproof flooring. We're starting to see this LVP more and more. It's luxury vinyl plank. It's waterproof, it's scratch-proof with pets. It's just perfect for everyday use. Let's go check out the rest. All right over here is our second bedroom on the main. And this one also comes with a fairly spacious closet right here. It's deeper than it looks. One of the things I love about this floor plan is actually how you get to the basement. Come take a peek. The basement is actually right off of the garage. So this is your laundry room, mud room. We have a drop zone with lockers. We also have cabinetry. It's a little bit difficult to see in the dark, but I promise I'll get more videos out there when we have lighting. This is also the room that has your walk down to the basement. So for those of you that hate walking into a ranch and seeing stairs into the basement right there, these are hidden away, and I think it's a really unique feature. Let's go back into the living room. So as I mentioned, this house is currently listed at $214,900. It will be ready in mid-April, and it is a Benchmark Builder's home. Benchmark has been in the business for over 40 years. They build all over the metro metro. They are building quite a few houses here in Norwalk, and at this price, there's really nothing else if you want new construction and you want a single family home so that you can expand with pets, families, or whatever. Have a wonderful day, and feel free to contact myself or my partner, Tawnia Martin, if you'd like to see it in more detail. We can build one for you too, by the way, so let's go ahead and get started, and you can love where you live. Take care.